Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're still rocking YNAB 4 and thinking about upgrading to YNAB Cloud, you're in the right place. YNAB, or You Need a Budget, is a fantastic tool for taking control of your finances, and switching from the old desktop version to the sleek, cloud-based one can make your life a lot easier with better accessibility and automatic syncing. Today, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step, so you can make the switch smoothly without losing any of your hard-earned data. First things first, why switch? YNAB Cloud is more user-friendly, works on any device, and has updated features like mobile apps and real-time collaboration. But before we dive in, make sure you have your YNAB 4 login details handy and a stable internet connection. Step 1. Back up your YNAB 4 data. Open your YNAB 4 software, go to the File menu, and select Export Budget or Backup. This creates a file that holds all your categories, transactions, and budgets. Think of it as your financial safety net. Save it somewhere secure, like your desktop or cloud storage. Next, head over to the YNAB website and sign up for YNAB Cloud if you haven't already. Use the same email associated with your YNAB 4 account to link everything seamlessly. Once you're logged in, look for the Import option, usually under Import, Export in Settings. Now, for the exciting part, importing your data. Upload the backup file you exported from YNAB 4. YNAB Cloud is designed to handle this transition, but double-check that all your accounts, categories, and transactions have transferred correctly. You might need to map some categories or fix minor discrepancies, so take a few minutes to review. One common hiccup is with linked bank accounts. YNAB Cloud might require you to reconnect them, so be prepared to enter your bank login details again. Also, remember to update any scheduled transactions or goals to ensure they're set for the future. Finally, once everything's imported and verified, start exploring the new features. YNAB Cloud's interface is intuitive, with tools for tracking spending and setting budgets on the go. If you run into any issues, YNAB's support team is top-notch. Just check their help center or community forums. There you have it. That's how you switch from YNAB 4 to YNAB Cloud. It's a straightforward process that can transform how you handle your money. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.